Hi guys! Today I'm working on the LOL OMG Lady Diva doll. I want to change her hair color to blonde, and I'm going to test a few internet myths about it in the process. One Lady Diva here is mine and one is my daughter's. I have two so I can compare the results. Let's take a good look at their hair. It is pretty crunchy, so we're gonna have to start with a good wash. I cut the rubber band to free their hair, followed by shampooing and conditioning. Then I laid them down to dry and gave them a good brushing. First two internet myths are purple shampoo and fabric softener. According to some people on the internet, it's gonna turn their hair blonde. Let's try it. I applied shampoo and softener and left the dolls for 10 minutes. Purple shampoo neutralizes pink. Let's see what it will do for this lime green. And it looks like it's still green. Fabric softener did absolutely nothing, while purple shampoo made it a colder green. Next myth, you wouldn't believe it, it's baking soda. So I followed instructions I found on the internet, mixed it with water, left the doll in it for a while, and it looks like it also did absolutely nothing. And now it's time to try something that will actually work. You will need room temperature water and RIT Dye in petal pink. Overall, I added 2 teaspoons of petal pink and mixed it in with this water. I put my doll hair in it and kept it in for about 30 seconds, and then I rinsed with cold water. I repeated the cycle 5 times until I saw the desired result. Now you can really see the difference in the color. And here it is again after I dried their hair. Their hair is very shiny and smooth. Now it's time to work on Lady Diva's hairstyle. I'm using flattening iron on the lowest setting to straighten her bangs. It took me quite a while to do it. Here she is with straightened bangs. It looks way better now in my opinion, but she's not done yet. I trimmed off all the nasty ends and tried to make it a certain shape. After I was satisfied with the shape, I left rubber band on my doll to flatten the bangs. Then I thinned out her bangs a little bit more, so it looks better. I also used some hair wax to tame that hair. After experimenting on my daughter's doll, I decided to give her her original hairstyle back. So I brushed her, gave her a high pony, and then wrapped some hair around that ponytail. I like Lady Diva doll blonde way more. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.